Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today we're making rice pilaf in the rice cooker. So let's get started. Okay, we'll start off by sauteing all our little veggies here before we add our rice. We're going to saute our carrots and onions. I think I'll use all of these onions. We don't want a whole bunch. We've cooked this until they're getting softer. Now we're going to add our garlic, our minced garlic. Cook this for about 30 seconds, and then we're going to add our rice. And we're going to saute this until the edges of the rice just are starting to turn translucent. Then we'll add our bouillon. Put it on the rice section. Okay, now we're going to add our broth. First though, we're going to cancel this because after we put our broth in, we're going to put the lid on it and cook it on the rice function. Give it a quick stir. And then we're going to put it on the rice function. I don't know if you can see that. Now we'll put it on the rice function. Put our lid on it. And we're ready. Okay. Okay, our rice cooker is done. Up with the fork. That's beautiful. And we also want to add our peas at this point. And here we have it, a beautiful bowl of rice pilaf. We have to have a little bite. That is good. Very flavorful. Onions, carrots, rice, and it's moist. And the garlic. I like the garlic in here. This tastes really good. We are having this with our dinner tomorrow. So that's why I wanted to make it today. We got basketball games tomorrow, so there won't be that much cooking. Okay, folks, thank you so much for stopping by, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.